The copyright to this video is owned by Arrow Security Shutters. How to fit a steel emergency exit door. Offer the door and frame up to the opening and stand it in position. Open the door and use a spirit level to plumb the door vertically, horizontally, and from the inside to the outside. Extend the frame's adjustable jacking screws so that the door stands tight within the opening. Drill all the fixing holes through the jacking screws. Use anchor bolts to secure the door and pull the jacking screws tight. Fit the emergency exit hardware to the door with the fixings supplied. When the bar is pushed, the door is released at the top and the bottom. To close the door, pull on the bar and the door locks at the top and bottom. The door comes with anti-jemmy mechanisms as standard. If you have a very wide opening, we can provide extension rails, which come with pre-drilled holes to accept anchor bolts. The jacking screws push out on these, which in turn push out on the opening. The extensions can increase the width up to 32 mm each side. Your steel emergency exit door is now ready for use. How to measure for a steel emergency exit door. Simply measure the width and height of the structural opening. That's all the measurements we need for your order.